Hi friends, now we are going to see how to make milkshake, apple milkshake for babies of 12 months to 24 months. First you have to peel the skin of the apple and we have to de-seed the apple. Then we have to cut the apple into cubes. The seed is poisonous, so we have to de-seed it before eating. After that we have to put the apple cubes in the mixer grinder and then we have to add cashews and badams according to our taste, and we have to pour half to 1 glass of milk. Then we have to add sugar if needed. Then we have to grind it. Here our apple milkshake is ready. We can garnish it with nuts. If baby can eat the nuts, we can garnish. If baby doesn't like the nuts, we can avoid it. Here all the babies and even the grown-up favorites, apple milkshake is ready. Cherish it.